Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can remove someone from Snapchat group chat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, select the chat icon. After that, open the group and then select on its name. Here, under group members, tap on the user you want to remove. You can find remove from group option on the top. Tap on it and then select remove icon. And that's it. This is how you can remove someone from Snapchat group.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.